Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited.
It's okay to not be okay. Moon Gang Tae is a community health worker at a psychiatric ward who was blessed with everything, including a great body, smart, ability to sympathize with others, patience, ability to react quickly, stamina, and more. Meanwhile, Ko Moon Young is a popular writer of children's literature who, due to suffering from an antisocial personality disorder, seems extremely selfish, arrogant, and rude. Moon Gang Tae denies love and Ko Moon Young doesn't know it. The two defy fate and fall in love, finding their souls and identities in the process. Goblin. Goblin was once an unbeatable general in Goryeo military who died a tragic death. He now possesses immortality but is tired of living while everyone else around him dies. For 900 years, Kim Shin has searched for his bride, a mortal who can pull out the sword and end his life. One day, he encounters Ji Yoon Tak, a high school student who can see the dead and has gone through tragic events, yet still stays strong. She claims to be the goblin's bride who can end his immortal life, but what appears to be an easy task only gets complicated as the two fall in love. Healer. Seo Young, who is a special kind of night courier, known only as healer by his clients. His latest job leads him to a second-rate tabloid writer, Chae Young Shin, and the successful reporter, Kim Moon Ho. He begins to uncover the mystery of his own shared past with the two reporters, thus putting them all in danger. He is the type who chooses to disconnect from society. But he accidentally grows attached to a woman who draws him out of his hibernation. Later on, they discover how fate brought them together. What's wrong with Secretary Kim? Lee Yong-jun is the vice president of his family-owned company, Union Group. He is so narcissistic that he doesn't pay attention to what his trusty secretary, Kim Mi-so, is trying to tell him most of the time. But both were unknowingly aware that they shared the same experience of trauma. Kim Mi-so falls in love with Lee Young-jun, as they heal each other of their past traumatic experience of being kidnapped. The Master's Son. Ju Jung-won is the cold and distant CEO of Kingdom, a conglomerate that includes a major department store and hotel. He meets the gloomy Tae Gong-sil, who started seeing ghosts after an accident. Their lives take a new turn as they discover whenever Gong-sil touches Jung-won, the ghosts that surround her disappear. After much pleading from Gong-sil to allow her to stay by Jung-won's side, in return she must help him recover a fortune that was stolen from him during a kidnapping attempt. The Two World. Kanchal is a former Olympic gold medalist in shooting and self-made millionaire. How will his world intertwine with Yoonju's other dimension universe? Oh Yoonju is a second-year cardiothoracic resident doctor. Her father, a famous comic book creator, suddenly disappears one day and then Yoonju herself is kidnapped by a strange man covered in blood and taken to a different dimension. Fight for My Way. This is a story about four individuals, Dongman, A-ra, Ju-man, and Sulhee, and the dreams they are pursuing. Dongman used to be a top athlete in Taekwondo. However, his dreams of becoming a national athlete is shredded into pieces when he helplessly loses against authority and money. Choi A-ra has always dreamed of becoming an announcer. Although for now, she works at a department store, she continuously goes to job interviews and fights for her way. When the world turns its back on one of them, the other rushes to comfort them. Boys Over Flowers. Jiam Jandi is a girl from a poor family but has an unrivaled sense of optimism and drive and is by chance admitted to a prestigious private high school. There she meets the infamous group of four astonishingly good-looking and rich boys who are known as F4. The group's leader is Koo Jun-pyo, who is a spoiled heir to world-leading conglomerate Shinhwa. Their love story moves from Seoul to New Caledonia to Macau. I'm Not a Robot. This is a story about a man who created a shield for his broken heart. Since the day his heart broke, he has been living inside a shell. To make it worse, he suffers from a specific type of allergy. Whenever he comes into contact with a human, he develops rashes all over his body and has trouble breathing. Because of this, he is forced to become a hermit and even start hating people. One day, he encounters Jo Ji-ae, a being unlike any other. At first, Jia pretends to be a robot and tries to win Minkyu's trust. Little does she know, she starts to fall in love with him. In addition, by interacting with her, Minkyu slowly learns how to break out of his shell, love, and trust. While You Were Sleeping. The drama is about a woman, Nam Hong Ju, who can see accidents that take place in the future through her dreams. And a prosecutor, Jung Jae Chan, who struggles to stop the woman's dreams from coming true. Jae Chan decides to interfere in the course of events and ends up saving the lives of Hongju and Ha Woo-tak, a young police officer. When Jae Chan, Hongju, and Woo-tak then start having dreams about one another, they realize that their lives are now somehow entwined.